Alright guys, so we got some mail in, and this is from P2R over in Florida, and something else from Summit Racing. Let's open these bad boys. Hell yeah. It looks like we got a 90mm flange, some fittings, sweet, thermal gasket, it's a little thicker than the usual one, some more bolts, here's another gasket right here. Check it out, another P2R sticker, and that's their cord. This is their adapter flange for the Holley intake manifold. Yeah, look at that thing. So they built in the spacer into the flange here. This is their new revised flange with a lot more honed out here for each port. So yeah, I think it's pretty sweet. Hopefully in the future get to go force induction here. That'd be pretty sweet. This takes time, but damn, look at that thing. Sweet. Holley EFI top manifold. Damn, look at that. Hell yeah. They kept changing this part number on me, and I had ordered one through Summit, and it kept getting declined, and they said they didn't have it in stock anymore. So I don't know the part number off the top of my head. It's like 300-248 or something like that. The other ones were like 300-209, and the other one's 300-218, I believe. But yeah, so this throat's kind of long, but the plan here is to go ahead and get this this one maybe cut off, and then weld this other flange on there. Because I got the nitrous plate, and I still want to keep that plate so everything else can actually fit in the engine bay there. And so now there'll just be like a high spot here in the engine bay, but that's fine. So I already started with the threader here, and I'm gonna make it go all the way through. I'm keeping it JDM. It's a M8 bolt hole with a 1.25 pitch thread, so that's for the import bolts. Well guys, I need to modify this plate. I'm gonna tap and drill here so I can add the air temperature sensor. And this is for the brake booster. And the fuel pressure regulator. And then just plug in the other ports it has. Alright guys, let's see if this starts up. Got the bad boy bolted in. I am missing 2 bolts because I didn't get enough bolts earlier. I'll put those in later. Hopefully it seals up right there. I think I plugged everything in for the throttle body. So let's see if it runs. Let's see if it turns on. Good. It doesn't sound like it has a vacuum leak, so that's good. Cold start. It has been started for maybe 2 weeks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. Got a little excited there. Had the guys in landscape mode, but yeah, guys, she's on. Doesn't sound like she has a vacuum leak. I do need to put those bolts on right here, but this side has plugs down here. This side has the booster pump and fuel regulator and the air temperature sensor there. I don't have my laptop hooked up right now, but sounds good already. Yep. Look at that. Rev her up a little bit. She sounds good. She's idling. She's idling a little high, but it's warm up right now, so wow. Well, that's exciting, guys. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to leave you guys with a couple of more racing videos here at the end. And hopefully I won't take as long next time to make another video. So thanks for watching. Add me on Snapchat. We'll keep it popping.
Did your mother ever tell you